Here we have a 2024 Toyota Hiace van fitted in black water resistant canvas. So this is a brand spanking new 24 model as mentioned. So has a bucket set up like the new shape bonneted Hiace van. As you can see, you have separate headrests. Driver side has height adjustment control and lumbar control, still open and accessible with our seat covers fitted. Airbag provision on both door sides of the backrest, and also full canvas on the back of the headrest as well as down the full back of the backrest for maximum protection. We also offer options of synthetic suede as well as sheepskin combinations. Everything can be checked out on our website, and also check out our other socials, Facebook and Instagram.